Hi guys, it's brand new Andrei, and today it is the first day of the 12 days of Christmas season 2, because last year I started my 12 days of Christmas like I do every year, and I'm pre-recording right now. Each day I'll be reviewing a item that I receive, usually a car, but if I get another toy that's not a car, I'm okay with that. So let's get started with day 1. So here is the alright, so here it is. It's super cool. It's dark red indeed, and it's heavier than a normal, I feel. I have another one over here. Oh my goodness, these two are kind of similar though. So we're gonna be comparing this guy to here, because I'm not gonna go super in depth, because yeah. So there's this is Exodus chapter 1, but of course, why day 1? So let's tell the story. Everybody, round of applause. Alright, let's get started. God promised Abraham that he would have many family, a very big family, and they are called the Israelites. And they just keep growing after growing, like these cars here. Since my birthday, keep growing, growing, and all the children become grown up. And yeah, and there's so many of them. But the Pharaoh, this is kind of like an Egyptian king. So this guy's gonna be the reenactment. He just absolutely wants to destroy the Israelites, because just absolutely squash them, because they keep growing and they have all the power, and he would have no more power. And then he captured all of them like this. And then one of the Israelite woman had a baby, and then Pharaoh, who's this guy, planned to get all the baby Israelites, so he can have all the power. And then the mother of the baby put him into a little basket and put him inside the river. And then his big sister will keep watch for him. And then Pharaoh's daughter, who's going to be this car, walked here with her servant girls. These two are gonna be the car, kind of like this. And then they saw the basket in the river. Then she found the baby inside the basket, and he was crying. And then Pharaoh's daughter asks the big sister that she could watch over him. And then the big sister thanked her and said, okay. That's the first day of the 12 days of Christmas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe to our channel, where when the car speeds too fast, the police car comes over and becomes a student driver. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.